Step into your bedroom and feel calm, cozy, and happy. Think about how much of your life begins and ends in this space, and how much impact the atmosphere has on your mood. What if just the right colors could make that happen for you every single day? What if your walls, your bedding, and even the small touches around your room could shape how you sleep, how you wake up, and how you carry yourself into the world? Today, let's unlock the secret world of light color combinations for bedrooms that don't just look good, they create deep feelings you carry with you every single day. The colors in your bedroom are more powerful than you think, and by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to use them to build your own personal retreat, one that supports rest, renewal, and joy. Light colors do more than brighten walls. They completely transform how a room feels and how you respond to it. A dark, heavy space at night can weigh on you, making you feel tired, restless, and sometimes even trapped. In contrast, a room filled with soft light tones slows down your breathing, relaxes your shoulders, and quiets your mind, creating a gentle invitation to unwind. That's because light colors create space and expand your sense of openness. They make even a small bedroom feel larger, less crowded, and more inviting. They soften the energy of a cluttered mind and replace it with balance, peace, and clarity. They are simple, yet powerful. And when combined the right way, they can turn a bedroom into a true sanctuary, one that restores you each night and lifts you every morning. A bedroom with walls painted in soft white feels gentle and airy, like a canvas that reflects light back into your life. Add pastel blue bedding that looks like the morning sky after rain, and the whole space becomes refreshing and calm. Soft white brings in light and warmth without overwhelming the senses, while pastel blue adds stillness, like the quiet surface of a lake. The pairing enhances both relaxation and clarity. It makes the room feel like a place where stress fades as soon as you enter. It's a combination that encourages deep rest, easy mornings, and a sense of quiet joy that carries through your day, reminding you that peace begins at home. Cream-colored walls glow softly under warm lighting, offering comfort and warmth without heaviness. Against this backdrop, sage green accents, pillows, curtains, or even an armchair bring peace and connection to nature. The gentle cream wraps the room in coziness, while sage green brings the steady calm of leaves touched by dew. Together, these colors create a bedroom that feels grounded, welcoming, and nurturing. The effect is a space where the rush of the outside world fades, replaced by the steady rhythm of a calm garden that holds you steady and lets you breathe fully. Nights become restful, and mornings begin with a sense of renewal. Light gray walls offer balance, modernity, and calm. They hold the space steady without demanding attention or weighing it down. Paired with blush pink accents, a blanket, pillows, or artwork, the room takes on a warmth that is soft and tender. Blush pink adds sweetness and gentle charm that transforms the space from simple to inviting. This pairing is perfect for those who want a bedroom that feels contemporary yet never cold. The gray whispers balance and stability, while the pink layers in warmth and emotion. The result is a room that welcomes you in with elegance, comfort, and a feeling of being cared for. A pale lavender wall glows faintly like the evening sky as the sun dips away, easing the mind into relaxation. Lavender is well known for calming nerves and preparing the body for rest. White bedding and curtains paired with it create a room that feels dreamy, bright, and light as air. The lavender relaxes your senses, while the white keeps everything clear and uncluttered. This bedroom feels gentle, almost like a soft evening breeze that signals it is time to release tension and drift into peaceful sleep. It's a choice for anyone who wants their room to feel restorative, quiet, and deeply restful. Beige walls add instant warmth, like the sand on a quiet beach that radiates comfort. Add light blue details, a rug, a duvet, or art, and the space begins to echo the balance of shore and sea. Beige grounds the room in stability, while light blue lifts it with freshness and clarity. Together, they create a retreat that feels as though it belongs by calm waters. Mornings feel brighter, evenings feel softer, and the whole rhythm of life slows down inside a room designed with these tones. This combination offers both comfort and renewal, like spending time in a peaceful coastal hideaway that never loses its charm. Mint green walls bring freshness and quiet energy. Paired with white sand in furniture, decor, or bedding, the space feels both lively and soft. Mint lifts the spirit, while white sand grounds the room in warmth. This combination strikes a perfect balance between cheer and peace, making it a choice for those who want joy in their surroundings, but also long for rest. The room becomes a place where mornings feel alive and evenings carry a gentle calm, bridging the energy of the day with the stillness of night in a harmonious flow. Soft peach fills the space with warmth, like the final light of sunset. It adds comfort without overwhelming the senses or drawing too much attention. When paired with light gray in bedding or furniture, the peach is held steady, allowing its warmth to glow without taking over. The result is cheerful yet calm, uplifting yet grounded. This pairing feels like a quiet smile, waiting for you each time you enter. It's perfect for anyone who wants a boost of lightness in their room without losing the peace that helps them rest. The colors encourage both energy and relaxation, making the room versatile and nurturing. Sky blue walls fill the room with openness and freshness, stretching wide like a morning sky. Add white linen sheets and curtains, and the effect is light, pure, and uncluttered. Sky blue clears the mind and lifts the spirit, while white linen simplifies the space and adds purity. Together they create a room that feels boundless and refreshing, the kind of environment where each day begins with possibility. This combination works beautifully for those who want their bedroom to be airy, light-filled, and renewing, encouraging a rhythm of ease and positivity. Light taupe walls create a cozy, neutral canvas that feels soft and timeless, a background that never overwhelms. Add dusty rose accents through blankets, cushions, or wall art, and the room transforms into a space with both warmth and sophistication. The taupe holds the space steady with its earthy tone, while dusty rose layers in elegance and subtle charm. This pairing works well for someone who wants a calming room, with a graceful touch of color that feels both modern and timeless. It enhances the feeling of sophistication without losing comfort. Soft yellow walls bring a gentle glow, like early sunlight spilling across the room. When paired with pale gray accents in furniture or textiles, the yellow feels warm but balanced. The gray prevents the room from becoming too bright or overwhelming, keeping the space calm and inviting. This combination creates an uplifting atmosphere, perfect for someone who wants their bedroom to feel cheerful in the morning, yet still calm enough to rest at night. It brings the energy of daylight while still offering the peace of evening. Light colors need care to shine their best. The lighter shade should cover the largest surfaces, walls and ceilings, to open up the room and create a backdrop that feels expansive. The second color works best in accents like bedding, curtains, or art, offering depth and interest without overwhelming the senses. To keep the room from feeling flat, layer in texture, linen pillows, woven rugs, or natural wood furniture. Lighting also matters. Soft lamps bring out the richness of these shades and keep the room glowing with comfort. When used together with care, the colors will transform the space into more than just a bedroom. They create a retreat that feeds both body and spirit. So, which light color combination feels right for you? Is it the cloud-like calm of soft white and pastel blue? The grounded warmth of cream and sage green? Or the seaside balance of beige and light blue? Each combination tells a story and changes how your room feels. Your bedroom should be your retreat, a reflection of your heart as much as your style. Choose the pairing that makes you smile every time you walk in. Paint it, decorate it, and let the space transform. Because your bedroom isn't only where you sleep. It's where your body rests, your mind resets, and your spirit prepares for the life you want to live. With the right colors, your bedroom becomes more than four walls. It becomes your sanctuary, your safe haven, and the place where your best days begin and end.